Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Your welding coach Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, is checking in, and we are welding in Little Rock at the Goodwill off of Scott Hamilton Drive. For those who want to know where we are at, we're in Southwest Little Rock, and these welding classes consist of stick welding, MIG welding, and flux core welding in 4 positions, and we test you in 2, and we give you also the introduction to TIG welding, teach you how to use the plasma torch and the cutting torch, and also help you get familiar with weld symbols and blueprint reading for $37.75. $37.75, fam. It's a win-win-win-win situation. So do some Googling and see where you can get a 16-week welding program that teach what we teaching for this price. And you're probably not going to find it, so you need to come down here and sign up with us. Sign up, sign up. Our next class starts in December, family. It starts in December. This is actually one of my smallest classes here. We have one every quarter. Hopefully starting out after this new class in December or beginning of January, we'll be having a shorter class. We'll have a MIG and flux core class, and then we'll have a stick welding, a full combinational welding course. So our goal is to help with the need in the surrounded areas. They're doing a lot of construction here right now. They're doing a lot of manufacturing, a lot of fabrication. So we're trying to send people back into the field to do the things that's needed right now. So this program is based on fast track program to get people diving right back into the welding field. Actually, family, there's so many different hoods. I would just try to find you something that you can afford and that you like getting started. I got a friend here, one of my students here, he actually just got a new kind of welding hood. I think he spent under $100, and it's a yes sir welding hood, and he wanted something where he could control the grind mode and had a light on the front. So this is his hood. He just got a grind mode on the side. He even got a fan in the back of this thing. This dude right here, he got a fan back here, and I think he said he spent under $100 for this unit.
130.
130 for this one?
Yeah.
He said he spent 130 and got him a good one, fam. So, like I say, if you can get some affordable ones for about $50, $60, but once you start doing it, you'll want to invest a little bit in yourself and get you a good hood. But, with this hood he got, this is more of a fabrication inside shop hood, and then you got more of a field welding hood when you got those that you're going to be doing outside, like the pipe liners and stuff like that. Now, she just got a basic hood. I believe the hood she got cost around $50, $60. No problem. Amazon is your go-to, so go to Amazon Prime. And they got all different kind of hoods. Now, me personally, I have a few different kinds, but one of my favorites right now, I have a Lincoln. I'm going to show y'all mine. I'm going to step out of here. I'm actually watching her. Let me step out here a little bit. So, step right here. I'm going to show y'all mine while you doing this. So, I have a few different ones. I have a few different hoods, but I really like this one. When it comes to fabricating, manufacturing, I love this hood. I got a few different kinds. Like I said, I got a pipe miner. I got a basic hood set up. This one right here costs a little bit more, but I like this one right here. This is by Lincoln. Like I said, this is a 350 series, and actually this was a gift someone got me, so salute to them. I really appreciate this gift. But this is a great hood, fam. It's a great hood. And it all depends on what you're trying to do. If you're doing multi-processing, if it's real hard, if you need multiple settings. Sometimes if you're just doing stick welding, when you get and go, you can get a basic transitional hood. I would say at least have a 10 shade in it, and you'll be good. A 10 shade can pretty much go, especially with stick. Flux core, you kind of want to go with 11, maybe 12, depends on how hot y'all running. So So it's all based on the person. Well, at least 11 for sure. 12 and 13 is more of a TIG welding type of setting. But don't get caught up in the hood, fam. Just get what you can afford. My first hood, and I still got one, is a Jackson hood. And I actually got a Jackson hood with the whole setup in the center. So I really liked the upgrade of Jackson. So my first hood was a Jackson. Now I got a Lincoln. I got a couple pipeliners, but whatever you get, just get something so you get your hog on, man. Whatever you can get. So let's dive in here and see what they doing. I keep my beard from catching on fire because I stay out the fire, fam. I stay out the fire. I'll be tying it up sometimes, though. It happens. Salute. Thank everybody for checking in. I appreciate those who like and share the channel. Also, subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Your Welding Coach on YouTube. That's Your Welding Coach, and the link is in the bio. We do appreciate everybody for checking in with us. I'm in Little Rock, Arkansas, and this is the Goodwill Academy. Also, I have a private welding school that I have. My personal business is called Your Welding Coach LLC, so it's the same name of the channel. So I teach here, and also I have a private business where we also teach it. My goal is to start branching out next year and open up different facilities in different areas, teaching people not only how to weld, but how to be a coach and how to build products, because it's a great need in a lot of the rural areas. Yeah, Outlaw makes some good hoods. Shout out to Outlaw. They do make some good hoods. I got a lot of brothers that bust the Outlaw welding hood. Like my brother say, shout out to anybody that can make it in welding. If you're welding and you're making that dollar, check in with us. If you're getting to the bag, check in with us. If welding saved your life and open up a door for you, check in with us, man. Let us know how welding help you. And my goal is to bring y'all different content too of different welders, success stories, what they're doing with their business, what they're doing in their personal lives, so that way we can motivate other people to dive into it and want to really learn the trade. Well, I ain't gonna say underwater. Underwater do pay a lot, but I'm gonna say the most paying one is to start your own business. So if you're a rig welder, having your own rig, it's a lot of freedom to it, family, and open a lot of doors. Salute. I've been to Montana, Washington, Wyoming. Okay, get to that bread. Hey, there's a lot of money in MIG welding and auto body. There's a lot of money in fabricating. You know how many people that love having those old school cars and trucks? There's a lot of money in that. A lot of money. That's what we got her working on. She's beginning in the MIG welding. See what she's working on right now. Going a little slow in a couple spots, but she's fresh, fam, getting to it. 59 years old and decided to do something different. Ain't that right, Miss Tina?
Yeah, because I want to make some money.
You want to make some money and do something different, don't you?
Take care of myself.
Hey, you heard what she said. She's trying to take care of herself. It's never too late, fam. You just got to get started.
Right. Pretty excited.
Thanks for the support. We do appreciate it, family. Thank everybody for checking in. Like I say, we're going live in Little Rock, and we're getting to the bag. If you know somebody in surrounding areas or surrounding states that need this type of class and type of opportunity, hey, tell them to call down to the Goodwill Academy off of Scott Hamilton Drive. We're getting a hog on, family. Changing lives. Okay, stay in contact with me, fam. I always have different rig welders contacting me, man, with different opportunities. We're trying to open up the doors for some of these guys that's stepping out there. Google your area, family. I don't know where you at. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas. Just Google and see where you can find. Surely there's some opportunities around where you at, I guarantee you. Yeah, shout out to Alik. Alik is here in Arkansas, I believe. They are in Jacksonville, I believe, or BB or Jacksonville, I believe. There's a few different welding programs around, but we are in Little Rock and we're a little cheaper than them. But we specialize in fast track, and they have more of a longer class, but they do have a setup where they can help you get a job as soon as you finish. Depends on what you're doing. And we do the same thing. We help with job placement as well. Oh, yeah, you know what's so crazy? I teach them how to set the machine and look at certain things, but a lot of these older companies have new machines, and we got the older machines, and we got new machines. So everything we teach them is push button, and they say, man, this thing ain't had no buttons on it, no dials on it. One of my students said he had to listen to the machine and set it off to here. So I teach them how to listen to the sound, especially when you're MIG welding, because it's all about the sound. No, I don't. But we do have union opportunities. I'm not a union person, but if a person find an opportunity with the union, go for it. We do have a company in south of us, about an hour and a half in Dumas, Arkansas, and it's a union company as well, and they starting their welders out at around a little over $20 an hour, and it's a union company. Yes, you have to listen, fam. Some things you have to learn by just picking up on the sound of certain things and watching the heat and the settings. And over time you get better and better. Yes, my goal is to be the face. My goal, your welding coach, is to be the face of more black natives, black African Americans, black men and women getting into the trade. My goal is to raise that number. Right now, black natives makes up about 9.8%, and that was just of this year. The numbers has been real down. It was lower than that over the last 5 years. So we're starting to dive into the trade. My goal is to get anybody who want to get into it, but especially with my people, especially the African Americans, black natives who are trying to do it. I want to motivate them to dive into the trade and utilize it and become great. Yes, hey, it don't matter where you learn at. Learn here, then move. That's what I did. I got more of my money once I left Arkansas. I'm back here now teaching. So I tell a person, get the bag, get the knowledge, and you can go anywhere you want to and win. Yeah, it's money in Tulsa. I did a few shutdowns in Tulsa. Pipe welder is a little bit more challenging, but I just say it's harder, but it is a little bit more challenging. I am a pipe welder too, so I'm a pipe welder, a structural welder, a metal fabricator. So I do it all, fam. But I most definitely say I enjoy fabricating myself, fabricating and making products. I make more money and more freer. Me personally, after you do it so long, I was a rig welder. I got a problem with kissing ass, fam. My lips don't form up right. I'm not a good ass kisser, so I got to be independent and make products because I don't like kissing nobody's ass. Everybody different, though. We plan on having a weld off in here doing something once they get a little bit more skills. They just now getting into it. No, you don't have to have a high school diploma or a GED to take our class. You just got to be 18 or older. If you are 18 or older, you can sign up. Sign up, sign up. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas off of Scott Hamilton Drive. So tell a friend to tell a friend. But it's never too late to learn, family. Never too late to learn. You gonna get the bag, fam. I got a lot of people that's successful out of high school that took welding in high school and out of high school. That's what my goal with my son, to get him certified before he even graduates. He be making good money before he even graduate. I told him, I said, son, you're going to drive a better truck or a car or whatever better than the teachers that at the school when you get there. Hog on. She's just getting started. She's 59. I'm trying to get her to get a good bead down first, fam. We ain't gonna make it too complicated. She's learning this for herself, so we gotta start. Everybody learns something different. So right now I got her pushing it, learning straight beads, and I got her doing the circular motion. Honestly, fam, I started learning on a Lincoln welder. I'm gonna be honest with you. I like them all. So I'm gonna say start learning on whatever machine you can find to start learning on. But I started on a Lincoln. But fam, let me let y'all go. It's about time for us to take a little break. We just wanted to go live and check in. Hopefully everybody's doing good. And hey, tell a friend that we're in Little Rock, Arkansas, getting our hog on. So if you want to learn how to weld, sign up at our 16-week course. Call to the front office. Hog on.